Young Park found that the workforce development training in dental assisting and radiology put him a step ahead of his peers once he enrolled in the college's dental hygiene program.
It was helpful once I got into the program. Like, I kind of knew certain stuff, like certain radiographs or certain instruments, or how to look at radiographs. Those were really helpful.
His non-credit training included an opportunity to work in a dental office and observe a dental hygienist. His experience solidified his decision to complete his associate degree.
I love the campus, but I really love the instructors and the staff here. I really feel like they look out for you. I've been to other universities before. Once you take their classes, there are just too many students there just for that teacher to take care of all of them. So it's basically you're on your own at other schools. But here, we have a small program. We have the same teachers and the same staff for the whole 2 years. You kind of build a bond with them and you kind of get to know each other more, and I feel like that's more helpful.